Welcome, in front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you how to restore your PIN in case you forgot it. First, click I forgot my PIN right here, and if you don't see this icon, you have to, or this button rather, you have to enter your PIN code a couple of times, now basically anything into this field. And after a couple of incorrect attempts, you will see this icon. Now click on it, then click on it once again. And now if you have a local account on your computer, which is rare, you have to answer one of the security questions that you prepared for yourself. And after you answer one of these questions, you'll be able to change your PIN code and then regain access to your account. But if you don't remember the answers to any of these questions, then the only solution for you would be to reinstall your Windows. Now, of course, this will remove all your files, but it's the only way for you to regain access to your account in such case. Now, if you don't know how to reinstall Windows from USB, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to do that, so if you need it, go ahead and check it out. And now I'm gonna explain what to do if you have a Microsoft account on your device. So first, enter the password to your Microsoft account, then press enter and verify your identity by sending an email to your sending an email to your email address. Now once you receive this email, you will receive a code inside. Now enter this code into this field. Once you enter it, click verify and then create a new PIN code for your account. Click continue. Now enter a new PIN and make sure that you remember it this time. Then click OK. And after that you will regain access to your account. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.